The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series has been at the forefront of foldable phone technology, offering a unique blend of smartphone and tablet functionality. With the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 expected to be revealed soon, rumors are swirling about the potential upgrades and improvements Samsung has in store. Here in today's video, we will break down the key updates we can expect based on leaks and speculations of this upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So without any delay, let's get into it. Design and display. At the forefront of these whispers is the design and display of the Z Fold 6. While the overall aesthetic may not deviate drastically from its predecessors, leaks suggest a potentially thinner profile, with an unfolded thickness of 5.6 mm and a folded thickness of 12.1 mm, compared to the Z Fold 5's 6.1 mm and 13.4 mm respectively. This sleeker and more compact design could contribute to an enhanced pocketable experience, making it easier to carry and handle the device on the go. One of the most significant areas of improvement might be the cover screen, which has been a pain point for some users. Rumors point to a wider aspect ratio, potentially increasing the screen size from 6.2 inches on the Z Fold 5 to 6.4 inches on the Z Fold 6. This larger display could make everyday tasks like typing and browsing more comfortable and enjoyable. Additionally, Samsung has trademarked the term Iron Flex, which could hint at a more durable foldable display panel, addressing one of the key concerns surrounding foldable devices. Cameras. Although there may not be a significant change in the camera department, reports indicate that Samsung could stick with the same camera setup as the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5, which includes a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixels telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. However, there's a conflicting rumor suggesting that Samsung might borrow the powerful 200MP sensor from the Galaxy S24 Ultra for the Z Fold 6. This remains unconfirmed, and it might come at the expense of a larger battery capacity. Performance and battery. Under the display, the Z Fold 6 is almost certain to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, promising a significant performance boost over the previous generation. This should translate into smoother multitasking, faster app loading times, and an enhanced gaming experience for users. As for RAM and storage, leaks point out that the Z Fold 6 might follow in the footsteps of the Z Fold 5, offering 12 GB of RAM and options for 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of internal storage. The battery capacity remains a point of speculation, with rumors divided between a potential increase to 4,600 mAh and sticking with the Z Fold 5's 4,400 mAh battery but with faster 25W charging capabilities. A larger battery would undoubtedly be a welcome addition, providing longer usage times and better power management for the device's demanding hardware and software features. Software and special features. The Z Fold 6 is expected to run on the latest version of Android, likely Android 14. This would provide access to the newest features and functionalities the operating system offers. Also, Samsung's Galaxy AI features, present in the Galaxy S24 series, are likely to be integrated into the Z Fold 6. These features could include on-the-fly translation of phone calls, document summarization, and smarter image editing tools. One interesting rumor suggests a possible Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE model. This fan edition could be a more affordable version of the Z Fold 6 with potentially downgraded specs, possibly excluding S Pen support. However, recent reports suggest Samsung might be backing away from this idea due to concerns about the phone's thickness and differentiation from the standard Z Fold 6. Release date and price. While there's no official confirmation yet, rumors indicate a potential launch date in July 2024, possibly ahead of the Summer Olympics. This would be slightly earlier than the August release dates of previous Z Fold models. The price is another point of speculation. The Z Fold series hasn't been known for affordability, and with the potential inclusion of a more powerful processor and possibly a better camera, the price tag for the Z Fold 6 could be somewhere in the range of $1,699 to $1,799. That was all about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend.